Alright, so we're doing the definition of a light hunt today. No suppressor, Wildcat's gonna run, no bipod, no monopod, all offhand shooting. And all ham bones running this trusty Crown, also in 25 caliber. Do some offhand shooting today. What you think, buddy?
We're gonna get it done. That's what we're gonna do.
Yep, time to get rid of some chipmunks that are wreaking havoc in these woods. So if you don't like offhand shooting and you don't like chipmunks, it's time to bail. So cute, right? No, they're just rats that hit the lottery with a really awesome fur coat. Not only do they wreak havoc in residential areas, but they also wreak havoc in the woods. They eat baby birds, baby squirrels, even their own kind. And we're not going to give them a break just because they're pretty. No, that sounded like a hit.
Mark the tree.
Oh, I see the, yeah,
Barely clipped.
I see the chipmunk.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, it's right here. Oh, perfect shot, dude.
Nighty night.
Yeah, and that was real far. That's where we came in. It's gotta be, what, 20? Oh yeah, he's done. See any more pop up? That looked like a center of mass. 20 on the money.
Yeah.
Oh! They are in trouble today. That's 3 in like 10 minutes.
So we got a little chunkage right there.
Oh yeah.
And
Oh.
blew right through.
Yeah, right through the back.
There's the entry because he was facing me.
Oh, perfect. Nice shot.
I wonder what he will be. Doesn't look like the youngest deer I've ever seen. Yeah. Look at how funny his summer coat is. And that's like, I mean, what, he's 21 yards maybe? Yeah, you're not on the menu, bud. Enjoy your day. Oh, perfect, broadside. Oh yeah. Dude, like, the crosshairs, so ridiculously still for shooting offhand. You gotta hold this gun and try it.
Oh yeah. I just heard another one to our right. What a rude way to wake up from a nap. He was like passed out right there. Well, that's 4 hits and 1 miss in about 20 minutes.
Yeah. You want him and I'll scope cam him? Oh, I think I missed, didn't I? Or did I kill him?
I thought you got it right through him.
That's where the pellet hole looked like it was, but I couldn't tell.
There's the pellet hole right there. Oh yeah, no, there's fur all over this.
I was gonna say, I think he was right.
All I heard was like a ricochet. What'd you say?
So I just shot this one. I wish I had it on scope cam, but he literally hit him and spun him in air. He did like a cartwheel. and came down.
Where was
See if we
he?
could find him. He's on the rock wall here.
Oh, no wonder.
Hence the noise.
No wonder I heard.
I had a little Rico.
Sounded like a old spaghetti western in here.
He was right up here in line with that post.
Okay.
So, just cartwheeled him.
How far do you think he went?
Oh, I didn't see him move after. I mean, it literally was like a cartwheel. Like he was like sitting here and it was like, and then he disappeared. I was like, well,
It's so hard to find him. You don't know when they're. Oh, I see a bunch of blood right there.
all right. Oh yeah, look, he got some guttage there too. I don't think I missed him.
Gross. I don't.
Now we just gotta find him. So I want to see what he looks like now.
Vaporization.
Oh my god.
Well, one thing's for sure with the whole gut pile on the ground, I don't think that we have to worry about him suffering anywhere.
Yeah. Well.
But finding him after he got cartwheeled is a whole nother thing. He's still there.
Yep.
Where is he? Oh, all the way on that stump.
Yep.
You're shooting right over him. Aim at the base though, unless you think it was you. Oh, I hit the wood and he's still there?
Yep.
Is it my turn yet?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something tells me his day's about to get worse. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
He done.
Yep, that looks like a head wound to me. Check out that cool specimen. It's like something's already been enjoying it. Or the wind broke some off maybe. But I do believe some of that's coming home with moi. Check out the flesh on that. That's pretty cool. It's my first pheasant back.
You can smoke him if you want. Right on the end of it. Nice shot, dude. Smacked him.
Hang on.
Yeah, that's why they're so hard to find. He like buried into the wood. Nice.
Oh, just barely clipped him too.
That was enough. It sounded solid.
Yeah, buddy.
Nice shot, buddy.
Thank you.
So you have a, what is that, a loophole Mark 4? 2?
Yeah, actually. This one's the Mark 4.
Mark 4.
6.5 by 20 by 50 mil. But
Yeah.
it's also the LRT, which is meant for long range.
Yeah, it's not meant for 50-yard focus.
No, so it's a little tough, but we're getting it done.
It's the same issue I have with my night forces, but
Yeah, yeah.
they're awesome out past 50.
yeah.
But
Which,
you're saying you're not even seeing the crosshair?
no, the crosshairs are fuzzing out on me, so I'm kind of just putting the chipmunk in the middle and and squeezing. And we're getting there, but
That's even more impressive then, bro. Nice shot.
thank you.
I did not, so if you got the shot, go for it. Oh yeah, he's dead.
He's still there.
Just about a foot to the left is all.
Oh yeah. Jump. Nice.
It's a wee bit of pockage. A wee bit of deadage. That sounded pretty solid.
Yeah, definitely sounds solid.
This one's gonna be a tougher shot. Missed. Do you see him?
Now I'm trying to actually pick him up.
Dead.
Nice.
I needed a little bit of holdover, so yeah, that's
Well,
kind of far, I
where
guess.
was it? Right at the base of that big oak?
Basically, yeah.
40 yards.
Oh, that's why.
Might have something.
He's under. Going on top. Dead.
Banged him.
Hell yeah, dude. This gun shoots awesome offhand.
Bang flop.
Yeah. This one's like 35, 40. Oh, so dead. Oh yeah. Belly up. Oh, right under him.
You see him?
Oh, I see him. I didn't miss. No missy.
That's how it looked through the scope, man. Sorry.
I know. I might have shot him in the ass.
Oh, yeah, you shot him in the ass, all right. Oh,
But that's
gross.
what the heavies do at close range.
Yeah.
He didn't make it very far. I knew I hit him. That's all that matters.
Sorry, no faith.
Got him.
Yeah, he's all done. Just nerves now, but tough.
Still rolling. Trying not to move on you, so I don't know how well.
Yeah. Not exactly the way you want it to go down, but follow up as fast as you can when you can. All right, brother. That was pretty freaking fun. We had a great time, man.
Yeah, that was really great day. Shot a lot.
Shot a lot, and we got mini-me's. You got the 380 barrel on that.
Yep.
Shooting 25s. Yep. Finally switched to low power, but right at the end. We probably could have both turned them down to low power, but it's really windy, so we'll use that as the excuse. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. But the new little Wildcat MKIII did awesome. And the wind blew it right down. We take pride in our professional productions here. Come on, man. Now it won't sit. There we go.
Oh boy.
And you spotted the first ones, and then we ended up taking 2 fine specimens of the pheasant back, which you saw. So cook those up tonight, see how they go. But yeah, it's just an all-around awesome day. It's just hot, so we're kind of out of water. We have plenty of time left, but we're out of water, so.
So it's a wrap.
Yeah, away we go. I'm sure we have some slow motion to do now,
Oh yeah.
because there's a few good shots there made, so.
Yep.
Until next time, we out.
Have a good one. 3, 2.
Done.
Done.